Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on PSSap. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in PSSap login and press enter to start your search. Now from the search results, click on the PSSap super link from Commonwealth Superannuation, and now within this page, click on the login button at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Employers drop-down and then choose your appropriate employer option. You will now be allowed to enter your username and your password. Just type in the username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then enter your account password alongside within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your PSSap account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password option underneath the login box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on PSSap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.